Hey guys, so in this video we're going to show you how to get the microphone from your wireless Bluetooth headset to work on your Windows computer. So in this case here, this is Windows 10. And in case you're already having trouble with getting your Bluetooth headset to connect to your Windows computer in general, then check out the video here in the upper right corner. But now let us continue with resolving the problem why the microphone specifically does not work. So in this case here we already have the headset enabled and it is connected via Bluetooth to my laptop right in front of me. So as I said before, this is Windows 10. In case you do have an older version of Windows, then it may look a little bit different, but the general instructions are still going to be the same. So we start out by going into the lower left corner, and that's where we see here this little search box, and which says here type here to search, and we're going to type in settings, and we're going to select here the very first search result that has this little blue icon with a cogwheel on it. So this is now the settings app, and the very first item here we see here system, and one of the parts of system is sound, so we're going to select this. So on the left side now we see here a small list of system settings, and the second option here, that is sound, so we're going to select this one. And now on the right side we can see first here the output options, so the output device, and that already says for me headphones, so here JBL Tune 750 in my case, so that's the headset that I'm using. But this only defines the output device, so what we are hearing. So now we want to make sure that we have the correct input device. And in order to see that, we're going to scroll down a little bit. And now here you see input. And so the current setting for input says microphone. So the input device is microphone, but what is important here is what's in these little brackets behind there. And there it says Realtek high definition audio. So this means currently the microphone that's built into your computer is being selected. So, and those microphones are usually not that good, and they're also further away from you, so they're not going to pick up your voice that well. So now here, one list item above this, we see a headset. So this is my headset that I'm currently using that is connected to my computer. So this is the one that I want to use. So I'm going to select this, and at this point now we can even try this out by speaking directly into the little hole on my headset here. So we're talking into the microphone of my headset, and you will immediately see here that this works a lot better, or now it even starts to work. So yeah, this is how you configure the microphone for your Bluetooth headset correctly. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.